Hello everyone, today I want to show y'all how to push your changes to your remote repository. So I ran into some issues with, the commands and kept getting mixed up. So I want to clarify for y'all if y'all are beginners or y'all are running into some issues as well. So let's get right into it. This is my repo for my blog. I want to make a change where I get rid of this bullet point. So I will go into that area. And I just made that change. I'm going to save that. Okay, and make sure that you are in the right folder. And let's go ahead and begin with the command. So you always want to make sure that your git is initiated. Then you do git add, then git commit, or yeah, I don't know why I'm git commit. Then it'll ask you for an update. I don't know how it looks in other text editors, but for VS Code, this is how it will look. It'll just open another page, and then you will just type your, I can't talk whenever I type, but just put in a note. That's just your commit message, really. So I will do that and then close that because it'll take it. It searches for it to be closed as like saving it. Then it'll see that I changed, and then I will do git push. So we are now pushing it to our repo. Git push origin, and my branch is main. So now I just took that, and my website is a Jekyll website hosted in GitHub. So let's go over to GitHub, and okay, that was 8 minutes ago. And now you can see that it is working through the pipeline to update my code. But that's because I'm also working through GitHub Actions, but you should be able to see it. So that is how you push your changes to a remote repository. I hope this helped, and if y'all liked the video, please give me a comment, see what else y'all are working on. I'd love to collaborate and network with y'all. But yeah, anyways, have a good night.